the reason that we came out here is because we found this spider web right there. If you can see it, not sure if you can. Cameraman, could you get a close-up perspective of that?
Yeah, we can see.
So, also the other reason is that we found this bird's nest, and well, we're going to figure out how to look through the bird's nest, the egg, and we're going to see if there's a little chick inside of that bird egg. Now, there is one thing that we have to do first. But first I've got to get the things and the torch. Now, the way that you do it, apparently, is that you have a little pinhole that is being blocked off. Hang on. There we go. And you get the bird's egg, if I can get it, very carefully. You put it on the piece of cardboard. You get a flashlight and you shine it underneath it, and then you can see through the egg, but it is not working very well, as you can see. But there is no baby inside. Now, that is a bad thing because, well, there's no bird. So now we are going to put this egg inside the bird nest. Just turn off this for a second. And I'm going to pass this to my cameraman for a few minutes. And also, it is a very rainy day. Not sure if you can see it, but hang on. Let me just get... Not sure if you can see this, but there is water. Hang on. Stand back. If you could see that, lots of water drops hanging down from there. And yeah, it's still raining while we speak, and this is currently our backyard. There's a little bit of rubbish everywhere and that. We've got a lot of trees. Now let me just catch my breath. Okay, catch my breath. And very cloudy today, if you want to point it up, cameraman. And well, it's very cloudy. All of that above us is clouds, and we've got the tree down there, got a little cubby house shed and that. Then we've got a little bit of bushes here, and actually, if you look over there, there's our cat. Is that Puss Puss or Little Girl? This is Puss Puss, I believe. And well, she has currently had 4 or 5 kittens in the last night and day. And plus,
we'll show you them later.
Yeah, we'll show you in the next video, or we'll edit a little image in of them for a little bit. But currently, it is very bad weather for a while. And, well, yeah. Bye-bye. And also, since we were in the light, you couldn't very much see, through the egg, but if you go there you can kind of see through it, and currently there's no egg in there and it's only a yolk. Well, see ya in the next